my gosh, you weirdo. Go wash your hands in the ocean.
But this is really pretty.
Oh my gosh, we're not making that into a Barbie doll necklace.
I'm not really.
Get over it.
I'm gonna make it into like
A mustache. A beard. No.
look, an earring.
No.
Does it look like an earring?
Yeah. Woo! Whoa, that was high. Now I feel like falling down into the ocean. Holy shit. Emma! We didn't build a sand castle.
What?
We didn't build a sand castle.
No, we're going to the other.
We are? The one that we originally were at?
Yeah.
Yes. See you later, home.